This presentation is designed to provide a capsule summary of how to prevent unfair, unrealistic, lowball settlements so you can decide for yourself if you should acquire the new ebook and use this information in your demands. You'll see how and why 80% of claim values today can be lost without this information. The insurance companies hired consultants to help them manage their millions of claims and settle them in a uniform and consistent manner nationwide. While this is a noble effect, it has drastically changed the process of determining settlements. They created a new way to settle claims called a business processing improvement culture. This went right to the core of claims handling and redesigned it and labeled it Claim Process Redesign. The result? The redesign of claim processing pushed average case settlements down by 2/3. Here's why this is happening, and most importantly, how you can prevent it. Unrealistic settlements, unfair settlements, lowball settlements, they are all based on insurance company decision points that determine settlement value. You see, to make decisions about how a claim is determined, the insurance company's new Claim Processing Redesign relies on a set of decision points. Each decision point is assigned its own dollar value based on each insurer's rate and formula. Well, here's the bad news. Since 2004, the insurance companies have continued to ignore a superior court order to release the decision points, claiming their rights to civil disrespect. Now, here's the problem. As a result, 80% of the decision points are missing in the demand. The ebook reveals the 43 areas of decision points that need to be included in the demand. We've broken down the 30 medical decision points and the 13 legal and administrative decision points in a checklist format. So if any are missing, you can be sure to include them in your demand letter. You see, missing decision points equal missing settlement dollars. The fact is, we only see an average of 9 decision points in the average demand letter. Now, 43 minus 9 equals 34, or basically 80%. I hope you can now see that it makes sense. 80% of the claim value you could lose. So, what can you do if you're a plaintiff attorney? Well, the insurance companies have consultants, and they keep it a secret as they continue to ignore a superior court order to reveal the decision points. But the ebook provides the decision points in a checklist format so you can include them in your demand letter and prevent unfair settlements. The ebook reveals court cases, fines, citations, investigations of Unfair Claim Practice Act, and tells you how to prevent them. The ebook also reveals a court-approved independent procedure now being used by plaintiffs to establish the preponderance of evidence, win the greater weight challenges, and to prevent unfair, lowball settlements. In addition to all this data, you'll see a system to produce a demand letter that includes all the applicable decision points in just 15 minutes, and you'll never need a narrative report again. I guarantee this to be the best $9.99 you have ever invested for your practice. You can read more on our web pages, and you can see testimonials, or just click and order your copy now.